Hello, fellow cartoonists. This is Cartoon Academy, and I'm your host, Joe Wos. On this show, we learn how to draw everything from beautiful butterflies to creepy cockroaches. So, stay tuned. Welcome to Cartoon Academy. We're drawing an axolotl. We'll begin with the eyes. Circle, and then another circle right next to it. Next, the pupils, or little dots in the eyes. 1 and 2. Now for a great big smile. A little dash for the lower lip. And eyebrows. 1, 2. Now starting right where this eyebrow left off, we're going to draw the gills. We come out, around, in, and down. Out, around, in, and down. One more time. Out, around, and then around and over. Now the same thing on this side. We just flip it and reverse it. Out and in. Up, out, and in. One more. Up, out, and in. Next are the frills on the gills. Just wavy little scribbly lines that work their way around the gills. Now for the front arms. Down, up, that's 1, 2, 3. Over, down, 1, 2, 3, and in. Next is the body. Up, and up. Out, 1, 2, 3, and in. Out, 1, 2, 3, and in. Lastly, the tail. Up, point, and back down. And then a frill around that tail. We're going to add some bubbles to show that he lives underwater. Just maybe 3 or 4 of them scattered throughout on the page. And then, sign your name. Take pride in your work. And there's your axolotl. Thanks a lotl.
Ba